your DVD or Blu-ray, go to the mixer rack and look for channels 3 and 4, which are Blu-ray left and Blu-ray right. If you're using external powered monitors to make it stereo, you want to use both left and right Blu-ray. If it's just the house system, which is mono, you can use left or right. To access the sound, you want to press in the mic line. Mic is pressed out and line is pressed in. When you press in, the sound will come out of this main sound system, and adjust on this bottom knob to raise or lower. And your master is right here. It says TSK room.